Hello guys, this is Jerusalem Michael, and let's talk about storing and retrieving software. Hardware interface software such as driver software that can allows for hardware to communicate with an operating system. These tools can be to update, disable driver for hardware and software, modify hardware settings, and troubleshoot issues with specific hardware components. Hardware interface software, also known as a device driver or simply drivers, is a type of software that allows communication between the hardware components of a computer system and the operating system. It acts as a bridge enable the operating system to interact with the control the hardware device connected to the computers. Next is file management software. In a computer, a file system determines the way in which files are named and where they are placed logically for storage and retrieval. A file is placed in directory, folder in window, or subdirectory, subfolder at the desired place in the tree structure. File management software refers to application or tools that help user organize, manage, and manipulate files and folders on their computer system. These software programs provide a user-friendly interface and a range of features to facilitate efficient file organization and retrieval. Here are a few commonly used file management software like File Explorer, Documents. Next is data management system. A data management system make it possible for user to create, read, update, and delete data in database. The data management system serves as an interface between a data and its users, ensuring that data contained within the database is coincidentally arranged and remains easily accessible to its user. A data management system, also known as a database management system, is software that allows user to efficiently store, organize, retrieve, and manipulate data in a structured manner. Data management system provides a convenient and secure way to manage large amount of data, ensuring data integrity, security, and accessibility. Here are some key features and benefits of data management system. Next is web browser. Web browser allow for user to view website, create and hypertext markup language in their intended layout in order to be displayed through the World Wide Web. They are used to access a machine-independent data store known as a server, where website files are stored. New websites are accessed through the use of search engine. Web browser are software application that allows to access and navigate the World Wide Web. They provide a graphical interface for user to interact with website, view web page, and access various online resources. Here are some popular web, like Google Chrome, Safari, and so on and so forth. Next is file extension. Distinguish how file is stored, compressed, and what software it will be opened with when retrieved. E.g., an image may be BMP, JPG, or PNG. A file is a suffix attached to the end of a file name separated by a period. It is used to indicate the file format or type of a particular file. File extensions are important because they help the operating system in associated software determine how to handle and interpret the file.